Yamo chama akwaba Adom TV so enie ene September bosomene de toso edunkuno o share live Adom TV so tienka sempa 94.7 FM live from our studios here 355 Fanofa Street Ewokokomlemle channel so ahaya elections headquarters Kokromoti Power ina se ne ekoso ahombo ayeye de akọ abato no nyina no aha na obete no efi enra 18th and electoral commission EDSC ho say edikopim 25th of Musumi Ayom September ye exhibit provisional voters register sa anamontuei na wode kwa akɔhwɛ say wudin ne etwerɛ no ye twerɛ ne ye ana so ID number registration center no hɔ a enti sa dwumadie no ahyase electoral commission de atudwa say nipa be 33,000 registration centers be 33,367 no efia na pa no nso ede kopem enwumre no nsia sa dwumadie ebekọ sa konya na beda ho ede amawa obetimi ede akwakohwe sa ne ma ne nyina sa ne nyina eda na kwan so electoral commission de atudwa sa nipa wapa womo a womo hwe sa dwumadie ebeye 73,107 ena womo hwe sa dwumadie a enum no exhibition officers na fei omo deputies womo ka ho afei supporting officials womo nyina womo ka ho womo hwe sa voter exhibition exercise ebetimi akoso jojo. But ye baby say if you enra nko a ye hyase no issues nkitinkiti bi afrimu apia anapa ye beje bre na fei ya hwe na ya twetwemu enkomo already ye bia na wa akɔhwe udin uduru ho no na ete sen uhunu yi umfoni ne no ano no udin ne spellings no saa ene etwere no ananso so how bi eba ho a saa dwenkyere nyina no ye beje anapa ye behwe na fei ye ne electoral commission for atwetwen enkomo na fei ye ne civil society organizations bia womo so raise issues efa registration exercise ne voters register no nkasa ene ne awoma dwene mu no wom so se eyemfom so ayanhwe na yanso ano a ede basabasayo ebesi abato enimu come December 7th some bako edapono so ne etosomienu in the second half of the show the manifesto debate na no ye share the job creation debate yenim say ba na dwuma sama ha dwene pa Ghana ha enti anapa ye beje mena fe both manifestos yahwe promises are a woman Nyamayoko ahodo no womo ehwe se yeto aba no ede ma woma wombehwe na womode aboa ma enwuma Ghana ha nipa bebre enye bi nyo no onumagye bi na womo ayomidin ede Chief Jerry Forson anapa mene impenifom yenu two regional secretaries Honorable Theophilus Tetechai is the Greater Accra Regional Secretary of the NDC ono atanse da yehwe anim se Ura Charles BCU or your Western Regional Secretary of the NPP in Subabe Kayaho. Now, yashe these two very important issues. Meeting the Chief Jerry Force. Mama watching, I'm akwaba. Edi abana watchi jumedi eso. Mami chwa mhuntew na meba. Edi nkomatwe no ahihye so. I'm akwaba. Well, Yamakwa Babio, Adom TV Suni, na Ochi Jumedi, and I did Bromidin, Eddie Chief Jerry Force, and San Medica, you are to train, and some year, near the kind effort, the voter exhibition exercise, and Ra, Electoral Commission, Ashasi, and Yatosum, the job creation debate. I award the two manifestos of the two major political parties, Ghana. And in the first hour, you share about 20 krata and Ra. Electoral Commission ashase se wo exhibit here machirem nintia ehun behia se obewa kwhwe se wudin no ewokata no a umfoni no eyeno ano no edin ni spelling no eyeno ano no voter center number no eyeno ano no ansa na 7 December no edru ho but mesango mochhwe ni ase na mfei mene David Kumi Ado or executive secretary Care Ghana mene no atwetwe enkomo one of the press release about raise issues even po ansana exhibition exercise eba abeshase David say otime ka me akwaba
mejo so menua ya mechia wani wetie fo nyina ne wahwefo nso
bibia abokode David
nyame adom election ho nsemsem na ama asane aye bonjune ma beso bat nyame adom yetinkwem yenim say bibia betimi akoyie say electoral commission betie
okay mo the press release aba mejidi say registration exercise ni nyina mwani edi akire mahunu niama ba kumienu bi a enti heading a ewo release ni so say me kind protocol say mo easy to create confusion in the 7th December 2020 elections Care Ghana edi na mahunu David
On the 2nd of July, 3 days into the compilation of a new voters register, no, your probe or your monitor system, no, and into your probe on my you find anomalies here, can want some end day a war printout, end of day printout, na electoral commission at the manner. Now, forensic analysis of the data at the man, and as a documents electoral commission print here at the end of day report, no, you realize here say in be ID numbers, no, you duplicate ID numbers, no, and one of the person you who you cry strike here a Reverend Professor Frimpong Manson on an area. Reverend Professor Frimpong Manson in the voter ID card near the moment. ID numbers also are essay distinctive, any unique to or no any year no, and as or no one to every individual, most especially. No, that ID card no, the number no was no, the same ID card number no, the amount will be for. Into your college electoral commission attention to this particular things are who say happen through the media. Now, ninti here through the media and say, near boy electoral commission puno ymbie. Na asemi ye who say chale yanhwe ni ya edio how ebeba and intina senate bi am na say my electoral commission ti wan say.
Okay, David, remember what was so, but on the bit of number electoral commission puno na ombie mono, how far, to what extent did you go, David?
One say you will have to call the electoral commission.
Yes.
And into a fray and a receptionist FI and no say as I say you book appointment with the electoral commission answer. And you catch and say near my ye who know a bit ball mine no electoral commission and casa when a jumedia ordin. But you catch and say we have no option, but we'll have to book an appointment. And into we did that, ye chance as I'm bopunum sa ye and into not yen to me in fact near ye who know and shake a tassy. And I am found coming Ghana for. And internet assassinate because in him say mediums no a na coach electoral commission suti and internet okay say per se any kasani into media and if from bra ponten say be a Ghana for nyina beti say be electoral commission so beti so when tiepo a obi be frɛ omo aka kire omo and internet decide release ne ba ponten say ye hu say ye duplicate close to 2,000 voter ID numbers to the voters ID card na ye dey ma nkofo electoral commission e dey ma nkofo no. You did release it abonte electoral commission and what here or can say now onward resolve that problem meanwhile from 2nd July up till ende ye can say that problem no you resolve a problem there and ne started exhibition exercise hwene aye koso ubeko baby amanfo di nim ubeko baby no pictures no obi a na adwo picture dey ama no kwabna ono say that picture na ama no Emba akoda ne mbema ena mbema akoda ne emba minya sanima we hadwen pa eya na ye kasa electoral commission nim say bia o feel say e bia ye mpenasem ana ne nisa ye nisa no ana ne dwuma no ye nti na e bia na ye politics ano but onim ye say di otwa esa no nim say ne ti achia eni nti obi odina weti no ono no be kire so oh esa wutwa yi weti achia nti so wotene ne sa kakra enke beboa inka sa emguase yi ene ne ebe yi inka emba but electoral commission anye ho adwuma bia wanye hwe amfa ho enne hwe bia ba bedu ahyiama problems e wa ahyiama no menua ese wani ense wo ka kire na se electoral commission antwe sa de yan sensan na ya hwe a resolve ansa ne asan hye sa exhibition asset ebiwa ebe ha adwen onim one of the things I realize here electoral commission ama mobile telephony tracking system say ama fontina omudem omuntina omufie no mon Texas number we any voter ID number to this a system na system ne be kire say e bia ampa odin wo ha ana odin ni ha o details are correct and our details are correct so be a ya duplicating the ID number etna fie na say onupo onim say duplicating the ID numbers oh that is the most interesting thing. Or how can see a woman say, eh, be a me ID number and say duplicate a mitifia minim, and mitifia me bought electoral commission code not the my no into our system. Na ebeba, eh, be a say, yeah, mimi din a beba, any me details nebeba. Or be a ye duplicate or no ID number net meme diano, eh, be no diana beba. Confusion aye basa. Confusion aye basa. And then, yes, you be nim. nkofo bibra ye start monitoring ra na bebia beku bia no amanfo ebufu so makohwe omo details no omo details ni about homanim omo details about any about homanim. Now one other challenge also I call electoral commission attention to NSA they find say me the duplicating my ID number no electoral commission ama ho kwan e wo sa exhibition exercise ni mu say obi abetumi akọ challenge obi eligibility e wo sa exhibition ni mu enti e ban say me ya challenge me eligibility na ampa electoral commission akọhwe na you go through the judicial system na you say ampa me to aba na yi me din afim.
Okay, but David, me Gidi said, the one of the reasons in here, sir, exhibition exercise is to deal with sir issues here, Murezi, into to call for all these duplicate cards, you know, now will fall into within this exercise, exhibition exercise period. Anamebwa, David.
Minya edio how kesiye mu na beba na mamenka ni ntia meka sa achiro.
Me too.
Or how I beba na say ye ban say me you duplicate my ID number. Many obi anankofo dodo ekra the same ID number. Na ye exhibition you obi akọ challenge me eligibility. I say bia me ye Ghana ni anase me ye minor. Meanwhile no man kasa me te hey ma voucher man nkofo 10. And it is a electoral commission you go through the adjudication process ni ehun say ampa me say mfata say esese me to aba e wo sa election yi mu a na ye yi me din fi mu a ma voucher man nkofo 10 san nkofo 10 no mo faith e den because onim say electoral commission ni nema niensa e na to akwan say obetimi da aba be registration no o Ghana card 1 o passport 2 and say obi eba be voucher amount and it is a sanya no koso a o details no ye di either me a me be voucher ma wo no me ID number na e attach o details say na be ya ye be say okay this is the source my source of registration and I say me Ghana card na me Ghana card na me kita na me be register ya ye the say Ghana card no e be ka some details no and then say me send fata say SSM me participate in the registration exercise na my ye na me to me vote and there omo ama voucher mo no omo stand e ye den omo faith e ye den. That is the big challenge. Then electoral commission be ya fa sa niam no ho and no ni ye how ke see a ye point electoral commission to a ye ka say sa exhibition exercise ye entimi correct sa anomaly ye a ye ka wan say me enti na kwa ye how kese pa me nwa ye time bomb so as we speak confusion a ye basa ni nyina efi say utu electoral commission for ontie one ne kasa on peso beti obia on say yes onipa bia anye repository of wisdom ye nyina ye boaboa ye ho oman ye nyina ye dia ye nyina ye kakra betumi ye dia so moman aboa no eno na say ye nyina ye de boa na say nde ye beboa na say ye electoral commission ontie onji emoa empi bebia electoral commission ma me
David Mebawo se metie wuyi a enti ni tia wetwa mu no mo pese electoral commission o ye den one suspended this exhibition exercise because ebi anasro no wo ho say through within this exercise no we are going to come across more of these double duplications and now so no dey reporting
on chain sa exhibition exercise we ensign unim enra
on chain sa exhibition exercise we ensign
because anomalies are a what sa register we mo no enye exhibition exercise we e never resolve as I say okọ back no co resolve some issues ni nyina no oba back because niema SSA exhibition exercise we e resolve no a minor but major problems our exhibition exercise we enye no e never resolve and anything I can say it will be very very important. So the electoral commission ebe check sa exhibition exercise we sign no onko back no onko resolve some matters nyina ye
no but David enya exhibition exercise ya mu na ye be detect sa anomalies nyina na fe ye hunu kwan ye be fa aso ano ana ofo say anomalies are ye detect within this exercise so na woka no e minor enti ye hu hia say ye betimi go ahead with this exhibition exercise David
Well, near can say, yeah, can say a minor because I will call upper east baby. Binduri. Binduri baby, na se nkofo 400 DA ni ade anima a major problem. But you can say there is a fundamental problem to this particular problems that the Electoral Commission needs to resolve and send the best starting exhibition exercise. Need to correct other anomalies are aba sa exhibition APA was that exhibition exercise mo. Nya yinti aye kasa ne say me you duplicating me ID number no with obidie na me ende ye behu say me nsem fata say me register po na makoto aba na se ye twe me film na se ye delete me film a omo ama voucher ama omo no what is their faith? Electoral Commission answer a particular question we ye on and the way or be resolve some matter we ye a serious matter Electoral Commission answers of the diagram and net near APP was our exhibition exercise and also a mususun. But there is a fundamental problem in this year saying their APA was our exhibition exercise. Man, in a year catch Electoral Commission say she's our exhibition exercise teaches and sign kaka. Neko resolve some matter unim enra na metie news item say NDC for na say Electoral Commission recall back the data or the moment so omo say problem. So it is one say problem where even data with the map political parties now. Then there is the need. There's an urgent need. Say over change exhibition exercise as and sign. Say there problems are fundamental problems are work on. One can solve resolve on and sana wa back ababe sani ya oye. And yes idea as an polish on that. Are you feel what's that for you be now the policy no problem na kasa e was here.
Okay.
Which this
David,
to me resolve.
I think that the purpose of this discussion, I mean, yes, at the end of the day, you bring a solution from civil society organizations like Mwankasake Ghana. What detective problem, no? Bia ma voucher ma tetechai. And a me number no ID number no, and they will be the same. Aside, yes, suspending the whole exhibition exercise, you know, what does Care Ghana propose? Say Electoral Commission 1 year to find a solution to this challenge.
I say Electoral Commission come back. Ebia na ye hunu kra ye ketwa. Ebia akese e wo ho. Nti say Electoral Commission come back no question say they Care Ghana for twen ya adwensi sui. Eye number si omo ka eye nokre ananya nokre ana say problems no eye akese say they are omo kan. Say na be Electoral Commission betumi resolve some matters no. And yes, I wonim 7 December se woko na se tse na ende ye hu say obi edi enim. 7 December ye ko na sa manfo di enim bebre a wan hwe ni a eden tokwa beba eno so na ye mpe no. Because you say asem kese ba en franka ensi so. Eni ntine enkitwa mu say ye prompt wa ehun ya pa say obekọ back no akọhwe. Say what is actually the problem? ABI Electoral Commission come back. Say ABI just one of the problems, but there are many other serious problems that are assumed within this particular things I have for Electoral Commission attention to.
Okay, but I'm finding out to David. You didn't come to train a banner. We know more the duplicated ID number 10. And a mode bar more press release no emu. But in all, do what I saying and I'm what me detected.
You are close to 2,000.
Close to 2,000.
Close to 2,000. I'm telling you. You are close to 2,000. Once a way a press release,
yes.
You to and into na yedi kakrai. This one you do by to show evidence to what we are saying. Saying ye cannot a neighbor sempa and you good in the
well, David, my was in the offense here.
Yes, I better must be brave. I couldn't have my yes, Electoral Commission. So, Tia Supreme, Nayan resolves in a bay in a yebeko about to him as soon as you to me about out victoriously. You better Adom TV, any Adom FM, the brave.
David Kumiado, Executive Secretary, Care Ghana, and I'm a train and Comono. Adom TV soon now what you do Medina Guso idea bro. Now these are very important issues na Care Ghana for Omerezi, but in himself Electoral Commission apau Abidjaku a 16-member committee to look at these issues. We'll try and speak with them, how they intend to go about dealing with challenges here at ANT. But my guests are ready. The Honorable Theophilus Tetechai is the Greater Accra Regional Secretary of the NDC. Watranasi Samsuna Ura Charles Unyawonto BCU is the Western Regional Secretary of the NPP. Mamisha Semfree Charles. Charles, voters registration exercise. No, when you DHA, Shase Enra, when you DHA, so far, who is saying?
Okay, brother, that's me chair it for so, and remember me say Papa nor Casanova, and I think you're a chairman. Okay, first of all, a chairman. We look. Let's say your CSOs. Okay, I would want to look at the mandate of the CSO. Okay, before we delve into it. Papa Nekas and I see a lot of administrative flaws in him, and I think he's doing politics.
Oh, really?
Yes, because what is the question? What is the essence of the exhibition? Is it not to find out these problems and solve them? Anamba, the exhibition is for you to go and see the missing woman and missing. Then the EC comes out to solve these problems. But you're CSO and you're preaching doom already. The Mobeso Ghana, Ghana.
Because according to him, Oma Trier say
according to him, I like that. According to him,
yes.
Because first, on the team, us that were fair electoral commission.
Yes.
Is there proof of a call? You can write when you letterhead, Anna.
Why have you already jumped into the defense of the electoral commission?
No, I'm not. No, for electoral commission on constitution also when you want it. But I'm saying that we are all going into an election.
Yes.
80 days to an election. We don't need it. Say what the man some can. Easy. All the administrative processes was at war. We form committee to look into this.
Yes.
So if I'm a CSO and I'm right, I'll say, okay, committee in the wild here.
Okay.
Well, 2000.
We are going to have time and deal with this issue. Okay. But I think I wasn't even fair to Honorable Secretary because it should have been first come, first served. Well, one person, I fear no Benina, when he Eddie. Yesterday, I listened to you on a big agenda show on Adom TV. Now raising issues. Now what issues are Ghana for also raising?
Yo, minya medasi. Anope maminchia Ghana for Electoral Commission. Omaino editumi bi asho munsem. Na tumi na yedi asho munsem no. Tumi a oman ni nyina ene de ahye omnsem enti se dwumede na omudi no se bebi touch ma yen as citizens of the country no ye wo ho kwan so se ye kan wasem from the beginning of exercise no ohonum na nyama no ehya ase, that is the registration exercise. Bobe kaya before I ever started registration exercise, we raised a number of concerns. Sir, even the training of more mobile UC machines was inappropriately and I say haphazardly done. Say, ejumano yamamu enough time to even machines no body ejumano no machines eso. In some areas, you see old machines and the year ejumedie no. Obekaya started registration, easy limit the numbers in terms of opening of registration centers because machines were not ready. Machines nearby, sometimes even the configuration of the machines, became a challenge. And me, I'm taking it from where the problems started emanating from. And during the registration exercise, and I'm not surprised at the type of register EC presented this year for exhibition. Now, what is the essence of the exhibition exercise? Exhibition exercise, and they say, me no, you call exhibition center. Ni ako confirm say you didn't know register no more now. Bakunu so ne say. Ebia midin mitro no ebia S ewa no ana T ewa no nipatro yidin no we T ewo ho no mu nti wo se meko na ye correct ema me ana bi nso ne se ebia ma register but inadvertently no yan save me din no e wo machine no so enti me din efi machine no so ana even so ye see obi a register e bia wan famra kwan so na odi register ye enti obi e ba be challenge there were issues of multiple registration e bia ye registration wa ha wasan akoye e wo baabi and I say even the same polling stations no there were issues of that e wo hono
yes
and yeah so basically no anunti na ye be exhibition exercise no now tania AC no anopai nyame pese me bo Ghana fo nyina akoko ene se obia enko ni exhibition center bebi okotro ni din no
okay answer na obebo kokko no kra no enra you're on record to have raised some issues especially within the Greater Accra region
exactly
say enra proba wo boy no nyema bi a wo hu ya na enko yi e bia obetime throw some light on it and then we can
ba kokko no hia me pa
o tell no dey ba hom so obebo kokko no
enti Ghana fo obia enye ne hu no onko ni exhibition center
yes
no onko check in
yes
now first of all short code na omode mai no and I think say enra no easy for eba abontin ebe kan say omo challenges but mebo Ghana fo nyina akoko omo use sa
short code
no because in some of our polling centers bibi esi ewo hono mu
then you see
say enipa aba exhibition center
yes
na oba be hwe ni din wo register mu na ni din any register mu na wabo short code na kire ni say ni din ewo register mu nti ye nyina ye mbo yes
say obo short code no
yes
confirm say
exactly
this registration center this polling station
exactly
aha na me din wo
exactly
and so drew on physically
bako onipa no nkofo call polling station
yes
so omo kwa ko check
na ni din nim
but ubo we na confirm nti obi me kama obia edi aye mu kan say kokobo
yes
exactly that is number one. Now the essence of exhibition exercise is to do a number of things maka nyamani nyina nti no yakasa ya gia to mu say register no ya problems ngiti ebeba ho but na enim say register way challenges are ebeba register way mu no ebeye ade a esumbo sa it has never happened in the history of this country exhibition exercise the level of problems register
is it not too early
it is not too early and I will tell you the reason why. You see, the NDC as a political party registration exercise you're taking very 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 serious because you see all the registrations are previously there has never been a timer you're signing signatures for the registration that has taken place. This is why it has never happened. So once a registration is being done and records are being produced and you having the records being signed, it tells you say it's a legal document which can be challenged in any court of law. What you are saying? And see, Uber Greater Accra, as regional secretary, enemy election directorate, we have the day-to-day, start-of-day activity and end-of-day activity for all registration centers that were done in Greater Accra region. And that is what all the other regions are within NDC as a political party. And before Accra register ebeba no. Yama yanko for no and I say consensus after tabulation because a printed din natural the number of print registration per day. Enti enya ade a obi betumi a challenge say day we yanye say what you say. Enti ye process you realize this say figures are easy for for the end of a phase. Who say any phases?
Yes.
But say discrepancies. So what we were doing...
When the ECD no compare Momo DNA.
Exactly.
Now differences home.
Exactly.
Did you raise objections?
Mr. Sir, is in Penifoni be they should call in and confirm it. And see, some of the constituencies, you know, we as a political party, you know, even help them to correct their data. What you are saying?
Electoral Commission.
Of course.
How did you do it?
And American, in terms of the data, we say, take the daily records and you process it. Data.
It's no man, yes, sir. Because directive nearby on a daily basis. All the political parties, now Ubia compile it, data, Ubia ni data. Now we can even compare notes. So CPP form, MP form, and then together you tally it with the electoral commission. There, no. And for you to say,
oh, the issue
now na fe oba beje mo figures na or they are correcting it there no
mami can be venture. You see we have registration, you know, at the registration center now. Data now what we are churning out for the day, you know. Somebody also picks that data up, okay. And if any pick data no out and you na said yes say or the call the district no go input that data into the system. Okay? Are you getting me?
Yes.
And if that data is inputted into the system or not, you will never know. The only time you get to know, say, that data has not been inputted, you know, is at the time who are checking who they compare or who they are discrepancies. And you now use the names of the registrants per day, you know, sheet, you know, and I would be a dance here for the corrections to be done.
But if the flaws, more data, no, say easy for.
There's no way I be flaws. I mean, the data that we are using are the data easy for the Ediama.
Okay, let's have about Hobio, Charles. You've already heard the issues. Issues are just a day into the exhibition exercise. NDC for a raise. They should give us cause for worry.
No, you shouldn't. You see, Portray started them exhibition exercise. First of all, they didn't want it to come to fruition in the first place. No, pay a bear.
What's your NDC for?
Yes. And to register, you put no in Nas Ghana for. You to near Yazan. That's one mistake for one can one your film. You see, I mean, it's as a way in a could be defended, but we are defending the Constitution of Ghana. Article 46 don't my easy one, don't uncompiled you register and number Ghana's Constitution.
Yes.
And you go through the processes now. Law Nankasa so today, old baby, or the exhibition. So I mean now using in Yama, and that's the very essence of it. And to me say, about there, easy, Boston, or your press conference. What's about 6,000
and 87 and 78. Yeah.
It means that they're
6,078.
Yes, it means that they're working. And election day, then I'll have a problem with her. But because the whole, essence of doing an exhibition is for us to see unqualified name duplications, because now register on your years to Abano because it's provisional.
Provisional.
Certified. So it is a due process. So why are we doing gentlemen or Kassan? Missy, no administrative flaws, because as I called EC, a phrase here,
no, but the administrative flaws aside, he's talking about close to 2,000 duplicated.
It's more than that.
It's more than 2,000.
I'll come to that.
Okay.
We're all Ghanaians.
Yes.
I'm not talking as an MPP. I'm talking as a Ghanaian. Yeah, by elections, I don't subscribe to it. Because as a free easy. I mean, I see so. Let me try. Much easy. Because I'm helping Ghana. And say ABC. In time, 2nd July in Orkan. Orkan said, no, it's a letter I'm Ukraine. But I mean, now you know. No, it's a place to call. Now, you're saying that there were 2,000 names. Would you put it on a letterhead and send it to EC? I would do that. Yes. But radio with no evidence. Them no behind your mission as it's been sounding a little bit political to me. But because we are all in this country for the good of the country. Previously, electoral and the whole thing is about the suspicion amongst all of us. in political party because my brother agencies are not easy own the Jinmen's have no more bonkomo every part on ye easy ones on obey suspicious so once we cleared out suspicion if you adhere to your obey now all in some African I mean some yo on an Arkansas some on us will be easy me I haven't seen it in my region I haven't seen anything like that but then I've seen one or two names are and that is the essence of the exhibition. Into see a problem you are. I mean, as regional secretary, maybe you made the easy 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it. This is the essence of the exhibition. Unfortunately, yeah. It's when you be the until they be certified. You get it. But also our process record now. I started the pupua. It doesn't help Ghana. I am concluding by saying that the essence of what we are all talking about, these problems, is the reason why they're doing the exhibition. And we must all conform to the law of Ghana. No way take no unsolved problem now. Then we should be having this discussion.
Okay, but the bigger picture, for instance, Care Ghana for a painting that say ID number duplicated, not me voucher ma na me voucher ma nipa tenor. You see that chain. And the challenges and the confusion is going to create because so me card who problem then it means that
so from
but the tendency already they gave out numbers and ID numbers Reverend Professor Paul Frimpong Manson and Saki Magdalene they share the same ID number.
So I agree.
So if for instance Magdalene Saki Evachima ni patena
so what's the essence of the exhibition? The essence of the exhibition is this. I don't have a problem with the administrative process and others. I will go to the EC office, write to them and say, these names, check them. Because here in for the voter register, be credible. So if you have a mandate as a CSO to ensure that there's a credible voter register, don't preach doom. Take it to the EC. Someone why that's all you then that's no EC catch no in the madi. Mutra request 2nd of July. Day. But I'm saying that this conversation that we're having now, our process no cordon, is neither here nor there for me because that is the essence. Ejuma EC worrying. EC boss so own 6,018. One thing is your number or a press conference. Also, you the multiple names. It means that they're dealing with it. Then that tells me that I'm a responsible citizen.
But we shouldn't forget time is of the essence. We don't have that luxury of time.
Instantaneous communication. You need emails, you need them. When you at a click of a button, it gets there. Into my brother and it 15 minutes. And I believe that since is active will be Zoom. And I'm saying that the whole essence of what we're doing is the exhibition. Because the register is provisional. Until we certify the exhibition is for us to correct these anomalies, which the EC is doing. As citizens of Ghana, you have the problem. Young from home. So the whole thing I'm talking about suspicion. Suspicion from suspicion should be killed from you and I. And I'm saying that the whole essence, the Mary Peter, the whole essence of the exhibition
is to deal with these problems.
CJ. CJ.
Yeah, GT.
Mpacho upper Dentra is ewo constituency ewo region
central region
central on your western
okay yeah. And can make answer much the first no you wait the first duplication easy got to be aware of was from Greater Accra. We reported the first duplication Tamayaya registration exercise because we were what fact-checking the documents. Until Yetro Edicomo. And through that, they issued a statement. They issued a statement about the duplication. And Omuka say, it tells you, say, from day one, we knew what we were doing. Now, we share pictures. A whole register, okay? In Kofor, a nipa baako picture is for almost about 200 people in the register. It's a serious thing. You see, if we don't bring these things out now, we'll be thinking, say, you have your ID, picture also. But then on election day, you get there and obi ebe challenge you say you are not the person. Because who the children who do say machine pumping up. Now picture no any picture. Party agent will never allow you. What is here? And that is the confusion that is going to create. And we need to bring out the flaws a what system minimum. Say na sibe ya wo utifie na wo feel say you can sit at home and then we card no ebeye kronkron anase bibia be kama wo mu a unya ne sa. Nti it's one of the challenges that we are having. Now, there were other issues of swapping of polling station code. Codes no mass swapping. Nti yemfa say station way yemfa say code A. Me say me code near code A.
And studio
exactly.
But code baby the other building.
Exactly. And that is why we need to get to the centers. And we move bebre. And adie ba kun so ama ye nyina ya bohu no. The huge numbers are yadility our register.
But the EC has assured.
Hold on. Tie. And yet say assurance. Okay?
And yet enough.
Tie. If we had not come out with the issues, the EC will not come out with response. Hold on. Anameboa.
How do you conclude and make a
it's because we are bringing the issues out. What you say? The issue of Ashama. We raise the issues. Okay?
No,
the issues of Ablekuma West.
Yes, but some specifics as the greater Accra Regional Secretary. So that we can
Yeah, I agree with him. I agree with him that yes, the issues they are bringing to them. That's why EC is dealing with it.
Yes.
So I agree. That is the essence of the
let me
That is the essence of it.
So what is your problem?
I don't have a problem.
Okay.
Exactly. Now, a constituency like Ashama, the voter registration was about 170,000. Okay? Huge numbers. Okay? But then, when the register was exhibited, you realize it said close to 20,000 Ephraim. We have raised the issues. Now, when we say the shortfalls in the register is an idea peculiar to a particular area. It is widespread. Me no ka say, me nwa visit you. Me no ka say anopay. Easy. Omasisa registers no. Yes.
That's some voter register.
You are shocked.
Hey.
You are shocked.
About register no assistant.
Anopay Omasisa register.
Yes.
Voter register of where?
Mika Greater Class. He is shocked. Call the EC officials. Call them. Me say, frère, mon frère Eda Silviano, and I say, je mensa anopeya. Me no ka say officers no, they are various a year. New registers.
No, but so okay, so much the register now. Saying Omakofa 2012 and now 2016 the no there but and so register from ben and Omakofa there.
Me say exhibition registers now. Provide and right you start here juma no.
The dey na assistant there.
Allow me to talk. Say comfort here.
Me too.
Me say registers are exhibition register you start here and right juma no. As a result of the challenges now, here can hold no. And now me know can say, Omama officers no, embra for new registers.
From how new are these new registers?
Yes, new registers. My mama can say me say move from, and they'll confirm.
When I walk out 17,
no, let your producers do that.
It.
Before I end, let your producers do that. No, are you
saying that already we have two registers that the Electoral Commission can substitute this for the other one?
They are replacing what they brought yesterday.
With what?
With a new exhibition register from the EC. You are shocked.
How different is starting the year from the
different one so Mudiabano and pay. We will scrutinize that one too. Because the problem is the huge deletion of names. What you say? Because say me family register.
Is this not an attempt to already? I mean to.
Only maybe. Say who producers. Ebeye Ghana for nyina a big favor. Minim says Sylvia
they are trying to get the electoral commission.
Let them confirm or deny what I'm saying here. Me and throw this out the only me. I'll never lie.
Charles, my member.
Charles, who's the winning?
Mam Pacho Mamankasa, you see, Setechai, my colleague regional secretary, they're doing a disservice to Ghana. You see,
oh, really?
No, Murahu.
Okay.
Because you see, no. You see.
I'm doing a great disservice.
Please, yes, you're doing a big disservice to Ghana.
Okay.
Young for politics with doing Atasa. Now, young Shemahina, I don't think they're keen. So, what's to internet to that? 10 years, I'm now years about 60 years, you would be proud to look back and about what you've said today. No, Atasa, because you see, sitting on here,
you'll be shocked.
Provincial register.
You'll be shocked.
Change you, I replace it now. What are you doing to this country? Really? So I'm surprised, because I keep saying that the whole exhibition exercise is to find out if there were problems so that it is solved. Until you them exercise here, that's a problem. So then we all come back and then talk about it. But easy, why a press conference? As the first one problems in the man, it's fine. Maybe I'm also problems. Easy. That is the job that easy has to do. We are all helping. But if a casa until they be some na mintum kasapi, because I know that the essence of what they're doing is the exhibition and it's to identify problems and ensure that we have the same thing. Then you go in the kasapi sometimes while intuming get consistent and keep track record of what you said. Now you have airtime, so you need to talk. So you're saying that since we change register. Maybe American from where I'm sitting and I understand maybe he hasn't communicated well. Ebia or print BB. I'm imagining you no, it's okay. Printing a ben on your claim. These things can happen. It doesn't mean that so you're saying that
the register of the provincial register
it's how they know
replace it with a new one.
It's how they know it's no way you change in the
no, that is
so what are you saying?
You don't understand what you are talking about.
Okay, so you carry on. Your man at time explain.
Missy,
the guy is trying to explain, but personally,
yeah.
I don't get your explanation.
CJ,
na catch them say you don't get my explanation. What I'm saying is the EC, you have their contact. Call them. Let them respond to what I'm saying. That they have not replaced the registers for greater.
Okay, but you do Ghanaians to explain.
Because because registers, a lot of them discrepancies, a dozen. Look, that Ladade Kotopon. You have a shortfall of about 1,721. Okay? And they told us they were going to do the replacement.
Shortfall meaning and I'll say 1,721. 721.
Exactly.
Dabena mu figure. Dabena mu find out.
And I make hold on. And make say your data of the registration exercise. Yankasa ye provisional register.
But why should we take your data, your compiled data, as the most incredible?
So ask the EC
to the electoral commission.
So ask the EC. Why have they withdrawn the
CJ?
Oh, Nyabotre. You see, Mumbisa EC for say, I don't know more withdraw and no register no, and no more replace it with another new register. Munya mami, Munya is just kind of.
But no,
they were explained.
We've lost the child.
It's because of the discrepancies.
Okay, and you are saying that as we speak, the Electoral Commission has 2 registers.
Oh, I said withdrawn and what? Replaced.
If you don't have a second register, you cannot replace the first one.
Thank you.
So then, in essence, we are saying, say, the Electoral Commission, as we speak, has 2 registers.
Yes,
correct?
Yes, per the consensus that we have in the Greater Accra region. Oh, Mr. Mufrom, I'm waiting.
Pacho, Mankasi.
CJ,
You see,
man, very easy.
No.
Yes, sorry,
We'll speak with the Electoral Commission.
Exactly.
Yes.
Before, Mauli, please get me Sylviano Shebo Kweku and
They should respond. Why?
Please get them for me.
Okay, on there, okay, one end is what data. Okay. In political parties, and your registration, we sent agents there. Agents no okay the book. Yeah? No filling, no geography. It is for us. But on your constitutionally or your transparency internet is made wrong. Now, in your Western region, your voter registration exercise, your numbers are higher than EC. EC got 1.18 million something. Now in the area call 1.2 million. Atasa. Two no, them MPPs in ever for an e-season. Yenny pan of baton. Ebia, yeah, the agent take it all. Ebia agent in sorry, and I'll be in a white church be because I do not book on that church, I don't know. Atasa. But the system na ECD, human, it takes time and everything. We are it's a technology, Atasa. Inti, say Nipakunum, watch you in Panachon, Wabu, be 100,000, na Bibiana 10,000 per. Emino, may believe e-season. However, some pedam yeah, exhibition is in the middle book and boko. Na ma kokwesi means as a political party, ma konifi as within I check oh no book and mo. Nam that chase there. My agent or record or them police station A1, 2, 3, 4. They know this is what we the political parties say is what easy. But if you say that the data na you see now wasn't those in this is not different, I don't get it. Because I know you need constitutional job you have to do. But you see no man can made it. Yentra anamoba. No woman connect to us. And new system will be generation.
But Charles, we shouldn't forget the EC is fallible. And the EC
every institution that's no everything technology. America elections. Remember,
Charles. No, hold on. Just a second. Just a second.
No.
Before we enter Matthew for an Electoral Commission, Yaboya Humoding. My production team is working tirelessly to get the Electoral Commission to respond to the issue of one more a change provisional register no and the fufro and the aba.
CJ, just a second. Obey me to answer. Yeah, registration exercise. It was not about your agent writing names and I said ticking those who come to register. What authenticates the day's activity? Who personal year why any the pull out in terms of the print out because whatever registration are ye for the day no
the pull out of your fees that's why I said the pull out is from the EC. But it's no pull out and for book back can be authentic and
I'm making the point
sad data na EC yet omotro ma obi EC mpanyifo ni nyina assign no idea me ne as agent our polling station no ejitu mu say enu ni ade a esiye on that particular day what you say say that particular day no you register 30 na pull out no 25 you be challenge what you say
yes
so these are legal documents young political party no e wo yensem say mumu dia no man fa nye ejuma it's your party but we as NDC we took those documents
from the EC.
Yes.
But what did I say? I said EC document.
You brought your agent. So much rot. And I'm correcting.
Are you saying that? No. You see, you station here. Are you saying that EC no pull out at the end of the day also more on an end day wasn't a different EC soon as a different Anna?
Of course.
But maybe end of story.
No.
Accra.
Okay,
in 5 years' time.
Theophilus Tetechai is the Greater Accra Regional Secretary of the NDC.
How do you anchor that?
Charles Onyawonto BC, Western Regional Secretary of the MPP. Hani DBC on behalf of my production team, AC Ohene, Wilbert Kampedu, Joshua Tigo, Mauli, Nana Kwame, me camera, me sound, me light, MCR, Israel. Fantastic job. Yade ebesi hanum na yada obibia ase. Electoral Commission for Ebeba Yahumadi and Sakoma. Yanu Ambeli Meeting Eddie Chief Jerry Forson. The price for greatness is responsibility. You understand?